Hello. Today I'm going to take a look at the latest JBL portable Bluetooth speaker from the Clip series. This is the JBL Clip 4 Bluetooth speaker with bold style and ultra-portable design. Its main advantage from other JBL speakers is that the Clip 4 speaker has an integrated carabiner for active travelers. Today, quick unboxing. First look and dB test. How loud is this speaker? If you are interested in how it sounds, feel free to click more from Techscrew and there will be a sound and bass test against the latest JBL Wind 3's speaker. This JBL Clip 4 costs around $55, which is a good deal for a travel speaker that has up to 10 hours of playtime and IP67 waterproof. But for now, let's get the music playing and see what comes with this JBL Clip 4 wireless speaker. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video.